HuluFISH technology. Do you want to go further with your single-cell RNA-seq research? HuluFISH technology allows you to validate and visualize genes expression in situ. HuluFISH is an innovative tool produced via our proprietary enzymatic labeling technique that generates a specific color-coded probe for any gene. When you have a 3-channel microscope, we can design 7 genes probe panel for you to visualize them at once. Colored probe will stain your target cells or tissue, and under the microscope, it will glow on every single molecule of your target's gene at the barcode channel, and it will be ready to quantify. Using different channel barcoding, you can detect multiple targets at once. This novel barcoding tool will help you to understand in depth your gene expression analysis for any gene from any organism and help you to publish your biology story faster for these genes identified in the single-cell RNA-seq experiment.